sticks be enough?
No, Sam. We need lots and lots of sticks.
Yeah, I know. Here!
That's more like it.
I told you I'll find all the sticks we need, so there you have it.
Well done. Though I'm not sure even this amount is enough.
Oh, what about glue?
Oh, no, Sammy, wait. We need to lay out the sticks first.
I'll help.
Oh!
What?
Sammy, with all this work, we've completely forgotten about our viewers.
Viewers, we have this construction going on and you think about viewers?
But, Sammy, we not only need to make the house for our rat, but also tell our viewers about everything.
Oh, now I'll have to distract myself with some nonsense. Oh, are you recording already?
Of course I am. We're building already. Hi, guys.
Oh, don't think anything bad. Please, I'm always happy to talk to you, dear viewers. I just wasn't ready.
All right. I think they'll forgive you if you tell them what we're making here.
It'll be my pleasure. Well, do you remember our dear rat? So, she's our new pet now.
We've even given her a name. It's...
No, don't say it yet. We'll reveal it when the house is ready.
Well, all right. That's what we're doing here. A house for our rat.
Right, she can't really live in the labyrinth. Guys, hit the like button if you've seen the Rat Labyrinth video.
And we'll continue. This is the base of our future house, and we're making it out of wooden popsicle sticks. It's a wonderful light material. But you'd better ask an adult to help you with this project.
Sue, our rat can't wait to see the final result.
Then let's continue. There. The base is complete. It'll be the floor of the first floor. But it won't just stand on the ground. We'll make a house on supports.
Here they are. Look, is that right?
Yes, Sammy. It's just wonderful. We need to glue all of the supports to our base correctly. As always, be very careful with hot glue. And it's important to take it slow here. And we'll need special supports on the corners. Let's turn it over.
Awesome!
Checking to see if it's sturdy?
Of course, can't do without it. I approve.
All right. Then I'll start working on the walls. The walls of the house should definitely have windows. And doors. It's like assembling a puzzle. And I'll secure them with horizontal sticks. Like this, carefully and neatly. And they also need some decoration. Let's hope our rat will like the decorations. By the way, guys, did you know that rats can produce sounds similar to laughter when they're happy? And what house can do without a door? Let's assemble it, quick! Guys, do you like making crafts out of wood? Write in the comments which crafts you've made. A special door for our special rat. One wall is done. Abracadabra! And one becomes two. And we need to make the rest of the walls the same way.
Right. While Sue's making the house, I'll make sure you have everything you need. First, it's the bed, of course. Right. I think I'll need to use some slime magic here. Guys, try to recall the video where I did magic.
We'll need a solid wall and a wall with a window so that the rat can look outside. And we've also made this wonderful ark.
Aha! The The bed is done! I did good, huh? Right, I need to make the bed soft and comfortable.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's how many walls we need to make a pretty house for our rat. Now it's glue time! We need to glue everything really well. I'll make a room on the first floor of the house.
The Ratsy will be very comfortable on these white bed sheets. Oh, I'm going to get a carpet too! Oh, what color should I pick? Check out this carpet! Do you like it?
The room is finished! And now the base of the second floor. It's easy to make it. Let me show you. We lay out the sticks, one by one. And secure them with horizontal sticks. It will be very sturdy. Right, where are the supports Sam made? We're going to need them. We'll glue them here and there.
And we'll also need a table. Yes, yes, and some treats to put on the table. I'll go get them!
Done! Let's return to the house and glue the floor of the second floor. And here we get something like a patio.
There! The most important pieces are done. I'll go help sew now!
And now let's make one more room. I'll use the remaining 3 walls for that.
What about the roof?
Don't worry, Sammy. I haven't forgotten about the roof. Thanks. And 2 more sheets made of sticks.
Is this where the roof goes?
Yep. I'll carefully glue the sides. And the long pieces. It's coming out so great!
Listen, Sue, of course it's great that our house is so tall, but how is our rat going to get inside? Jump?
Oh, of course not. He'll use the stairs.
The stairs?
Well, yes. Look, we'll glue one here. And the second one is for the second floor.
Ah, that's more like it.
We only need to make pretty borders, and then we can move our dear resident in.
The borders? How?
Look, we'll take small sticks, lay them out neatly. We need some space between the sticks. And then we'll take longer sticks.
Like this?
Yep, thanks. And glue them to the short sticks.
It's a fence!
Oh, well, yeah, borders, fence, you can call them whatever you want. And we'll need a lot of these.
Well then, let's get to it.
It's time to give our house a finished look.
Quick, set the furniture!
Oh, Sam, they're great!
I did my best. Come on, let's furnish the house!
The carpet, the bed, the table with treats. Let's add some greenery. What a beautiful villa.
To call our rat.
Well, I think it's time to reveal the name of our rat.
Yes!
We've named her Tater Tots.
Give a thumbs up if you like the name.
Welcome to your new residence, Tater Tots.
Aha! She's going to the dining room first.
Enjoy your meal. Hey, little one.
She's going to the second floor.
Looks like she enjoys the green balcony.
Now check out the bed. Success!
Sweet dreams, Tater Tots.
Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button not to miss our new video about Tater Tots as soon as we make it. Bye-bye! See you soon!
If you enjoyed the video, share it with your friends. It's much more fun to watch it together.